We're out on the Mekong River at Chow Dock. We came out at sunrise because we're at the floating market, and it's an amazing, astonishing place. The photography you can get here is absolutely awesome, but it's real fast and furious work because the river is flowing very fast. And our awesome boatman here, he has real trouble positioning the boat where we need to be to do the shots, but nonetheless, it's pretty amazing. Now we've just tied up against one of these boats here on to my left and asked them if we can come on board and see if we can do some shots, just get in real close. They're such lovely people because they said, yeah, not a problem. And it's kind of craziness, you know, this really is hard and fast photography. I'm going to see if I can take a quick shot of where our Melissa is at this very moment as she's filming me. I'll put it in the Clicker Snap gallery. Absolutely awesome. So we can come on board and just get a few shots. Now this is really tight because there's not a lot of room. Let me see what we've got. I love this girl on the top here. Pardon? I can stand in here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's better, yeah. Hello. Hello, come on. Come on, is thank you. And it's always worth being polite. I know very, very little Vietnamese, but it's always worth being polite. So I'm standing on a pile of coconut husks down here. But it's about the only viewpoint you can get. I'm just looking down into this work area. Melissa, hand me the camera just a moment. I'm going to see if I can show the guys what's going on. Down in here. I can hardly see a thing in the screen because the sun's so bright. Now these guys live aboard their boat and they trade up and down the river. And they brought in bananas, and we got coconuts, we got other fruit. And the whole family live on board this little boat and they travel around and come into the markets here, which is where we are right now. And look at it, isn't it just astonishing? Isn't it astonishing? I'm going to see if I can get a bit of a family portrait. Melissa? Yes. I don't know if you can... Oh, do you want to come in here in the coconut husks
Absolutely.
with me? Do you want me to hold that while you climb in?
I can do it, Mike.
This is what we're standing on.
Yep.
That's quite a nice shot in itself, look. A foot on a bicycle. You want to take the stick? All right.
Yeah.
So Melissa wants to take the stick. Oh, let's see. Do you want to climb up? And then the guys can see what we're looking at. How awesome. I'm just going to see if I can get a couple of shots. I quite like this line of this metal thing here. I'm just going to see if I can photograph down through there. Very tricky exposure. So we're going to try and get that histogram somewhere so it's not clipping in between the two. Let's see. I'm just going to take a quick shot. Like, what do we got? Let's open up my aperture a little more. Oh, I love the guy on the top. My lens isn't quite wide enough, really. Hi, guys. Hi. Hey, xin chào. Yeah, xin chào. Come on. Love the girl over here with the phone. Oh, hello. Come on, don't be shy. Hello. I quite like the shot with the hat down over her eyes. It's quite funny. But I wish I could get her to look up. The people are just lovely. They're a little bit shy and they're probably a little bit, you know, what's this huge, great big bearded Westerner doing climbing on our boat? Look at this. This is what we call pick a spot. Because you kind of have to find a spot and wait for that little decisive moment. I just caught a nice shot of this girl popping coconuts into a sack. Let's just see. I can get in a little closer. It's so hard to see faces because of the hats. Oh. Let me get my exposure right, and I'm going to see if I can just get a shot of... Oh, I just got a glimpse of her face then. Xin chào! Xin chào, Carl! I caught you out then, didn't I? Awesome. Yeah, I just got a little glimpse of the girl as she looked up at me as I said that. I'm not sure it's the best of shots because these sorts of shots need to be considered. You've got to spend time, you know. stay with the people. We've only just come on board and they're a little bit, oh, who is this? Spend maybe 10 or 15 minutes here and get to know them so they're more relaxed, and then these things come together. But really, we just wanted to show you this extraordinary place. Can you imagine just being in a little boat? Can I steal a camera and tick please, Melissa? Thank you, bless you. You know, we've got our little boat here. We've got Ben. Hi, Ben.
Sit down.
We've got our little boat here that we've hired. Look at that. Now, there's a great shot. I don't know if you can see that guy sitting in his doorway of his boat. There's so much going on all around us. So much to photograph. So much to experience. Can you just imagine, hang on Melissa, what it would be like? How it would feel to be somewhere like this, shooting these sorts of pictures. Look at the lady in the boat there, with the hat on. Turn around. This lady here, that's a floating cafe. She's going around selling cups of coffee in plastic bags so that it doesn't spill. We just had one, and it's absolutely fantastic coffee as well. Xin chào! No, she's ignoring me, and I don't blame her. But the light is fabulous as well. It's an early start. But how awesome is that? Here you go, Melissa. Thank you. So, I mean, look, guys, just imagine this, coming and shooting in a place like this. Really, the photos are going to be awesome. I'm going to post a few on the Clicker Snap gallery and link below this video so you can go and check them out. Sorry this one was a bit like all over the place, but I think it was worth showing you just kind of where we are and what's going on. So, if you'd like to come on a workshop like this, if you're the sort of person who thinks, yeah, you know what, I love that adventure, I'd love to shoot that live, then please leave me your details at photographycourses.biz/123. But bear in mind, this is an adventure. If you think you'd like to, there's a big difference between like to and going to. If you are the sort of person who thinks, yeah, if the dates work, I'm going, period, then leave me your details. If not, please don't, because it just means disappointment for everyone, because we don't have enough people coming when we think we have. We put a lot of work and effort into setting it up, and then we have to cancel it, which is disappointing for everyone. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little look at the floating market. I'm just going to show you a couple more little scenes. Thanks, Melissa. Grab the camera back, because it's just awesome. Look at all this going on. There's our floating cafe lady over here. And the guys working below. I think that would make an awesome shot if I was to stand up where this girl's just put a line of coconuts. And then we've got this little place here with the clothes on the back. Great for laundry shots. Anyway, guys, I truly hope some of you will come and join me out here next year. We'll see you later.